Hi guys, you welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, don't beauty secret. Today I'll be giving a tutorial how to highlight and contour and the areas you will be contouring and highlighting. So if you want to know how to do this, stick to my channel, subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to click on the notification button so that you can always get notification for future videos. When I want to highlight, I usually smile, and the first place I love to start highlighting is my two under eye. So once I smile, my cheekbone pops up and it gives me my under eye that V shape that you can see, and it makes my highlighting very easier. Repeat the same on the other side of the under eye. The next place to highlight is the chin. So the next place is the on top of the lip, the cupid bow, all through the parallel line. The next area is the forehead. Here we go. The next place is the bridge of the nose. So it's time to contour. So make a fishy face in order to get the hollow of your cheek. That's the line beneath your cheekbone. Make dot, make a dot with your contour concealer on it and move towards your temple, and also your hairline and above your forehead. Repeat the same process for the other side of the face. Contour the jawline. Contour the side of the bridge of the nose where you highlighted. Contour the two sides. I'll be using a blender brush to blend. I love this brush. As you can see, it's from New Look collection. So guys, watch me as I blend, and I'll be blending I'll be starting with the highlighter, and I'll be dabbing the brush on my face. We're dabbing it a little, and I'm going to take my time. It's not something you're going to rush over so that you don't get sweaty. So I'm going to take my time to dab the brush on the concealer, kind of blend a little so that I don't have a harsh line. So watch as I do this.